Hello everyone, my name is Reena and welcome to my channel Get Guided Learning. So in my today's video, I will explain two formulas, Countif and Countifs function. So first question, what is the difference between Countif and Countifs function? So Countif function allows us to apply just one criteria and Countifs function allows us to apply more than one criteria. So let's move ahead now. So before I write the formula, let's have a look on the data. Here you can see I have employee ID, employee name, employee ID, employee location, year of service, and job type. So I have a requirement here that I need total number of employee who have given more than 5 year or 5 year. So either greater than or equal to 5 years. So this is the criteria I have. This is single criteria I have. When I have one single criteria, I can apply count if function. So let's write the formula count if. Press tab button, open parenthesis, count if. It's asking me for selecting range. So my criteria greater than or equal to 5 year, year of service. So this will come from this range. And criteria, when I need to write criteria in this function here, I will write in the double quotation mark. So it's either greater than or equal to 5 year. Quotation mark and close parenthesis, press enter. Now answer is 12. To check the answer, we can apply filter and oops, just a moment here. So we can apply filter and we can check it. So on the year of service, in the filter, if I uncheck 1, 2, 3, and 4, then it becomes now equal to 5 or more than 5. So I need all. So let's check now how many records I have. More than 5 or equal to 5 here. I got 12. You can see count here 12. So clear the filter now. Press OK. And here we got. Now you can see here I have this small criteria table here where I need location as a France, year of service as 16 year, and job type full time. So I have these three criterias and I need total number of employee records, how many employee we have who meet with these three conditions. Let's write the formula. When we have more than one condition or criteria, we will apply count ifs function. Right, count ifs. Select this one, press tab button, criteria range 1. My criteria first is location France. France exists in this location range here, comma, and criteria 1. Criteria 1 is France. Select this, comma. Now it's asking me for criteria range 2. Criteria year of service here, and my criteria is 16 year, comma, criteria range 3. Just keep this here. Criteria range 3, job type full time. I will select this range and I will select now full time. So I have selected all these three criteria. Before closing the parenthesis sign, first you check here that after writing criteria 3, if I write comma here, you can see criteria range 4 appeared. So because I have only three criteria, so I will not apply or I will not write comma here. So you can write here as many as criteria you have and it will give you the result on the basis of the criteria. So let's close the parenthesis and press enter, and now we have just one record. So one count we got here. So how to check it? Let's apply filter and cross check the answer. So location is France. Apply filter on the France. Year of service, I had 16 as a criteria. Press OK and you can see here we have just one record. So our answer is correct, right? So select this and clear this filter. Now, if I need to select by when we write the formula, and if we need to write criteria, we don't have criteria in written in the cell already, so we write criteria. When we write criteria, you can see here we write always in the double quotation mark. When we need to select the range, so select the range like this as we have did here, correct? So let's take one more example. Suppose we need total number of records of employee who lives in the France and their job type is full time. So we have two criteria now. Let's write formula. I am just writing so that here who lives in the France and their job type is full time, correct? So I will write formula this time. I will not select the criteria here. Let's write count ifs. Select this count ifs function. Open parenthesis. Now it's asking me for criteria range 1. Criteria is France. So in the location, criteria 1 is France. Now this time I will write not select, write France, double quotation mark, comma, criteria range 2 is this one, comma, and criteria 2, it should be full time. So write in the double quotation mark and write full time. Now close parenthesis and press enter. So we have total how many? We have 4 records here. So total 4 employees are there who lives in the France and their job type is full time. So how will you check it? First, apply filter on the France, press OK. Now apply filter on job type, check full time, press OK, and you can see here total we have 4. So that's how we write these two formulas. So I have explained both of these formulas in this video. Apart from this video, you can watch one more video on the similar subject, count, counta, and Countblank function. So link I have mentioned in the description box. You can watch more videos also on other subjects by visiting on my channel or by clicking on Get Guided Learning. This is my channel name. So till that time, enjoy and get guided learning and have a good time. Bye bye.